Good morning, students. So today is a very important day. On 4th of September, the Supreme Court has given the date for hearing of two very important cases, two very important petitions, that is Dr. Meghraj Roy versus NB and even an old case, Dr. Aditi versus NB. And all the petitions, they are clubbed together and they'll be heard in the Supreme Court today. The important case that we had filed, that was answer key matter of NEET PG, that is going to be discussed. Along with that, in the petition, it is also filed to have a thorough investigation of the NEET PG exam by a body like SIT to check the discrepancy that has come between the recall and the result and the way in which this this answer key was made and the whole process of examination. So let's hope to have some good news today, and I'm sure all those students who are suffering from a huge mark discrepancy which has affected their careers and which is going to affect their the branch choice also, I hope that some good news comes and it कहीं ना कहीं एक जुडिशरी जो है हमारे इस एग्ज़ाम प्रोसेस से रिलेटेड जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उनको सॉर्ट आउट करे, ताकि जो बच्चे मेहनत कर रहे हैं और काफ़ी सालों से मेहनत कर रहे हैं, सिंस लास्ट सो मेनी ईयर्स दी स्टूडेंट्स आर प्रिपेयरिंग, सो दे गेट जस्टिस. All those parents who are with their students, they get justice. It is very important to have a very fair and transparent system, just like so many other exams, like GPAT has got a release of question paper also, and answer key also, and then the challenge is also allowed. Why not for NEET PG? This is such an important exam for all the MBBS students, and this plays a major role in their lifelong career, in their future. So it is something very important, and puri transparency is required, not just release of this answer key, this kind of coded answer key, but we want a proper question paper, answer key release, and finally the challenges also to be allowed. So let's see how Supreme Court decides and what is the decision given by them, and let's keep our fingers crossed. All the best to all the students and the lawyers and the advocates who are fighting this case in the Supreme Court on behalf of all the students. Thank you so much. Those students who want to ask any questions related to the choice of their branch, what they should do, DNB, MD, बहुत सारी और चीज़ें होती हैं, clinical, surgical, medical, paraclinical, preclinical, what to do. So I'm available on Instagram. I have given my mail ID. I have given my WhatsApp phone number also. So you can always contact me there. All the details are there in the description of the channel. And please ask your queries, ask your questions. We'll discuss. We'll come to a best solution. And this service of mine is free of cost. I'm not charging anything for the students, and because I don't think this is something that I should charge for, because as a person of medical community, I feel it is my responsibility as a teacher, as a mentor. I feel it is my responsibility that I help the students, those who need it. So if any student requires that, they can always message me.